Hi! In front of me is OnePlus 10T, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this OnePlus. Firstly, open Play Store and tap on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck, like that, and download this free app from this developer, DevCheck device and system info. When it's ready, click on Open. Now, thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your OnePlus dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!